Hi and welcome to my program Powerful PowerPoints. My name is Avinash Agarwal. I'm a communications and creativity coach and I've made hundreds of presentations over the last 10 years of working. So I feel I have some idea about what it takes to make your presentation more attractive, more impactful and fun. So I'm going to give you an outline of what we'll be covering in this course. Number one, we'll be starting with the basics. If you're a beginner and you've never used PowerPoint before, don't worry, it's very simple. Section 2, we're going to be starting with structure, the most important part of your presentation, which gives a skeleton for all your content. Number 3, we move to colors and template. This is where you can actually make the difference and make your presentation stand out by making it visually appealing. Section 4, we talk about visuals and infographics. How do you present data? How do you make visuals that are engaging? This section will talk all about that. Section 5 will be about the text, the content. How much text should you put in a slide? How do you arrange your text so it's impactful? Section 6 talks about animations and transitions from slide to slide. Section 7 is something very special which I have for you. It's called making it pop. How do you have certain slides which stand out and are memorable for the audience? Making it pop, literally. And finally, section 8, we talk about delivering the presentation that you have made. Here I'll be covering few basics of communication and presenting on stage along with your PowerPoint. So, are you ready to get started and make some powerful PowerPoints?